So I borrowed my son's golf cart today for Mother's Day, and I'm coming to the woods by my house on the other side of the subdivision where it's adjacent to our new area. There. I found this little break going across right there. This little twisty break. See no hair. I thought that was neat. It's a pretty cool area. A couple arches. There and there. Well, I'm going to get to the golf cart now. We're in a souped up golf cart. Going into the woods. My son's. God. I took it for Mother's Day. Right. So, I wanted to show you though. Turn the key off so you don't have a dead bat. So this area here, ancient, is way over there. It's connected to this subdivision where I live. Gosh. It's wet. Let's go look. Wow. My mud boots, I'll be able to get in there. I see all this? Ancient. The place where research is all back in there. All back in there. So it's connected to this. And now Dawn and I had walked in here, but now there's water. We went into these islands. They are totally amazing in there. Totally amazing. I'm going to sit here for my Mother's Day for a little bit. Well, handy cam, it's so light. It really should be on a monopod or a tripod. Anyway, it's a great little swampy area. And this is on the other side of my subdivision. And over there is ancient. Way back there. Way back. I can't zoom in anymore. There's a great island in there. I've been in there. It is absolutely stunning. There's tons and tons of ticks as well. Oh, were we covered. But man, there's a oasis in there. It's too wet to get in there now. And now the rainy season's really coming. So, maybe next year. So I walked around to the other side of the marsh. I'm about to come here and sit at night. I mean, I could take the golf cart here. you know, sometimes I just wonder about these little signs. You have a break here, and then you have a forked in piece of twig that just landed right there between the
Oh, look at that one.
Tree. Oh yeah, look at that one. That was kind of hanging.
Yeah, when the vine caught it.
Yeah.
I mean, that's natural, but
yeah,
weird.
but weird. It's all neat stuff in there. Found this little area with this little tree right here is in here, kind of clipped in right there, and then it goes all the way down. It's clipped in right there. Have this. I think that's a natural break right there. Could be. I don't know where it came from though. I don't know. I don't know where that came from. Oh, maybe right there. Yeah, right there. And right there. Anyway, that was that. Oh. Alright, this is a little interesting area to me because of the ground here. Then you got a break right there. Walk up to it. And then you got these little sticks right here. Just kind of all in one little area here. That's a dog in the background because we're so close to my subdivision. I'm just astounded by this area though. I guess I'm going to have to take my son's golf cart more often. What's it got here? That's interesting. I'm not saying that could be a bear. I don't see anything around besides that scuff. But that's interesting. This looks like a possible sitting area right here. It's really nice. Behind my subdivision, I took a road that I never took and went another direction. And we came out to this area. We had to pull the map out to figure out where we are. Where we are. It's a cool area, but we don't know what direction to go. If we go straight, we go this way, or to go this way. We don't know. So we're going to pull up the map and find out. We'll get the tires for it anyway. So we're going to just head out. I don't know which way. This is like a main road here, but I don't know what road. Don't know. We're going to find out though. Interesting. At least I have a golf cart I can get around all this. We got it figured out.